Hello, my name is Komalpreet Kaur and this is my project 1 for Python programming. The project I created is called Student Grade Tracker. The purpose of this program is to allow us users to create and student records, enter grades, calculate averages, and identify the student with highest average grade. When the program starts, the user sees a menu with several options. First, I'll add a student. I select option 1 and enter a student name. Then the program stores that student in a dictionary. Next, I'll add grades by selecting option 2. That's right there. And after entering the student name, I can add the grade and I repeat this process for multiple grades and multiple students. Now I'll choose option 3 to view all student records. The program displays each student name along with their grades. The program uses the grades stored in the list and calculates the averages automatically. Option 5. Students finds the students with highest average grade. The program loops through all the student records and compares average to determine the highest one. Finally, option 6 allows me to remove a student from a system, and option 7 finally exits the program. This project demonstrates several concepts from chapter 1 through 7, including variables, strings, numbers, lists, dictionaries, user input, and if-else statements, for loops, while loops, and functions. So, my project overview is student grade tracker, in which I'm managing the student records and everything. If I run this, so like these few options I see, first is as student, then I can add the grade, then I can view the student, then I can calculate the average, and then I can hit the exit. If I select the option 1, I can enter the student name and I'm just adding my name. So now I'm added and now I want to get my grade. So I'll just type 90. So I did that. Now my average is 90. And then if I want to do option 3, I can view more students if I want. So it's running like that. So what went right is the way I was using the dictionary to organize student information. It made it easy for me to connect the students names with their grades. The second thing that went well was creating the menu system. The menu made the program very easy, the 5 options, it's very correctly defined and visible. I don't have to navigate so much into it. The thing I think I need improvement is creating the folders and putting the files into it's the readme file. It was not coming into this folder, that was getting separated from the thing. So I have to struggle with that to make that file into that. Still I'm struggling with that stuff. I'm not able to make a new folder and create a new file. My all the files are getting mixed up. I don't know why, but I'm learning. Another improvement would be adding more advanced reports such like displaying class averages or letter grades. One change that I made during development was switching from a simple list to a dictionary structure. I made some changes to make a dictionary thing. At first I planned to store everything in a list way, but I realized dictionary is easy to find out the students with their grades. So that improved my organization for the program. I learned the structure of data before codings, that it can save a lot of time. Another thing I learned is that building a project one feature at a time make it easier to find and fix the problems. Overall, this project helped me a lot. So I have this, and in my Git by Git, I went to my repositories to see did I did the commits and everything. So here I can see everything, what the project is about and the stuff. And here I can see what commits I have did. I did 7 commits. So I can see that from here. And so overall this project helped me better understand Python fundamentals, and it gave me more confidence using loops, dictionaries, and functions and user input. I'm really grateful.